Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the unboxing of this case, which is for Airpods 3rd generation. This was another find from the Amazon Prime Day deals. I had to get it. Okay, so last time I showed you my other Elago AirPod case, and I'm gonna show you how to remove it. Okay, so this one is the latest I got and it's from the same brand, so I'm gonna just remove it from this case and we are going to install the new one. This has been very helpful and very easy to use. I have dropped it a few times and nothing has happened to my AirPods. Now we are going to install the new one. As you can see, it's really cute, and if you are from my generation and you remember these Game Boys, these used to be a nice game to play for my generation when I was a teenager or in elementary school. So that's why I decided to get a retro case for my AirPods. And you can kind of try to simulate or just have these touch to these buttons, but you cannot actually click on them, which is a little bit of a disappointment, but I'm okay with it. It's really cute, and you just install it, and you can choose to also use this one, and this adhesive tape will keep it together from this part from here. Okay, so it will prevent it to remove it easily from this part. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.